Hi, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do steam kumquat with rock sugar, or you can steam it with honey. This is a health remedy. It's helped you to prevent from cough, and especially during the winter, it's good to have it in the morning with a bit of warm water. Follow me in the kitchen and I will show you how this is made. I picked this from our kumquat tree because it's so much now, and during this COVID, this virus time, I think it's very helpful if we steam it with rock sugar or honey, to have it every morning. That's to help you prevent from cough as well. The first thing is we're gonna go and wash it. Give it a good wash here. Wash it. Soak it in water and wash it. It's all in our backyard. I just leave the leaves for good looks. But normally you have to pick them all out, alright? Just the fruit, please. So after 5 minutes of soaking in water, and I have given it a good wash, so all you need to do is to remove this stem. And you just remove the stem. So good, this is so big. Just remove it. Even though you don't have cough or anything like that, it's still good for your throat. So this is what we do. We just unpick those and we keep the fruit. Give it another rinse over. Set it to dry a little bit. These are the kumquat that I already cleaned. I also prepare some rock sugar, but if you don't have rock sugar, you can still use honey. So now we're gonna cut the kumquat into half. You just need to have it. Just have it like that. So don't add any water, okay? Do not add any water. If the one that dry like this, you can put it aside. Just have it. It's okay to leave the seed in there as well. That will be fine. My mom said that the zest of the kumquat is very good for your health. Have it. You want, you can remove a little bit of the seed, but that will be fine, it's in there. So juicy. Remove some if you like, or you can leave it. But remember, do not add water. Look at this one, there's no seed at all. Wow, so juicy.
You can smell from here.
Yes, there you go. Don't overfill your bowl, okay? Now I'm going to add rock sugar. Now I'm going to leave this aside. Okay, I also prepare a few empty jars here. I have washed and cleaned, soaked it in hot water. Now I also have these QUİ. I'm going to put them in there. So juicy. This one is very good for your throat. It's something that natural. You can have it every day, you know. It's prevent you from a lot of things. In Asian medicine, kumquat says, or lemon says, especially kumquat says is it's good for your health. Wow, look how big is this one. It's almost the size of the mandarin.
Whoa.
Yeah. Wonder why how juicy it is inside. Wow, look at that.
Whoa.
It's almost the size of a small mandarin. Okay. Fill most of the jar. This is best to have it in summer as well as fresh juice. I will show you that in my next video clip. Because once you steam, this will break down, yeah, so I just try to fill a little bit more on top. Just push it down a little bit. Okay. Even though it's a bit green, it's still okay to use, okay?
Yeah.
That will be fine. Yeah. So now I'm going to add some rock sugar. Just leave it on the top. That will, once you steam it, it will eventually melt down on top of the kumquat. Make sure you wash your hand before you do everything there. This will dissolve once you steam it. See that? You can either steam it in a bowl or you can steam it in a jar if you have any jar at home that's empty. Just give it a good wash and make sure you soak it in hot water, dry it before you put the kumquat in. There you go. Now I just get the water ready and steam. So at the moment I already have a, I prepare a big pot. I put a bit of water in at the bottom and I put on high heat. Please do not put any water in the jar because the juice of the kumquat and the rock sugar, they're gonna be plenty of juice later, so do not add any water. Just put it in there. Okay. Remember not to put any water in, okay? Just in the pot but not in the jar. Here's my other one. So I put it in like that. I don't know if you can see them. There you go. Now I'm going to pour some water along the side. Not in the jar, okay? Just about halfway up. I have boiled some hot water to put it in. Just halfway of the jar will do. Yep. Now I'm gonna close the lid and let it steep for about 2 hours. Make sure you check it often to see if the water is empty, then you need to refill it. Just refill like halfway to the jar. Remember not to overfill the water, because if the water get into the jar, then it won't be nice, yeah? Because we want it to be just pure liquid of the kumquat and the rock sugar or the honey. That's it. Okay, I'm gonna close the lid and let it simmer for 2 hours. Okay. After about an hour, it's gonna look like this. Now we're gonna push it down a little bit. As you can see, all the juice coming out. Push it down. I didn't add any water yet, and that much juice coming out already from the kumquat. So I just push it down a bit so the rock sugar can go to the bottom of the jar. I'm gonna close the lid and steam for another hour to soften it. You can eat it like this now, but I want it to be more soft, so I'm gonna steam it for another hour. So after 2 hours, I have turned this off about 10 minutes ago. Okay, it's looking so good. After 2 hours of steaming, I have removed from the pot to let it cool, and this is how it looks like now. It's pretty soft now. You can see, there you go. This one you can eat it like this as well. If you don't like to have it as a juice, then you can eat it like this. Keep it in the fridge, and when you need it, put in a glass of water, just about a tablespoon like this in a glass, and then add hot water to drink it. This is very, very good for sore throat, and if you have a cough and all that, so it's very good remedy. It's we always have this in our house, in our fridge. So this is what you can do with it after, is you get a tablespoon of the kumquat, put in the glass, because it's still hot now, yeah? But you can put this in the fridge if you like, and then just add a bit of hot water. Give it a good stir. husband loves this. He drink it every morning. It's prevent from sore throat. Even during the time you have sore throat as well, this helps you. So just like that. There you go. You can drink it like this, or if you don't want to mix it in hot water, then just get a teaspoon, get a piece out like that, and you can just eat it like this. You can just eat it straight from the jar. It's pretty sweet now because I put rock sugar in there to steam it with the kumquat. So there's still a bit of sourness, a bit of bitterness from the kumquat zest. It helps a lot when you have sore throat. Wow, tastes so good. Thank you so much for watching my video. Hopes you like it. If you do, please leave a like and subscribe. And thank you so much for all your support. Please stay safe. And thank you. Bye bye. See you next time.